I'm a cheat, and I don't mind admitting it, especially when it comes to drawing or painting things that take ages, like leaves on trees. Now here's a picture of a tree that I've drawn, and that was the easy bit. Now to put on the leaves. And you know, when it comes to doing the boring bits, I don't mind cheating at all if it makes it easier and a lot more fun to do. And that's where this comes in. Any old paintbrush, preferably one with stiff bristles. And it's just a case of dipping it into some green poster paint, like that, and then just wiping off most of the paint. And the idea is to get your brush as dry as possible, so don't put any water on it. And then just hold it vertically above your picture and stab it down onto the paper. And look what happens. Look at that. Hundreds of leaves start to appear. It's a really good cheat, isn't it? It saves you drawing each leaf individually. And the more paint you put on and the more leaves you stab onto your picture, the thicker they get. Look at that. And it's also a good idea to have some dark paint. You could have some black or some dark brown, and just, again, wipe off the excess paint onto a piece of scrap paper and just start to dab or stipple some darker leaves around the bottom edge like this, just to give it a bit of shade around the bottom of the tree. And what about a lighter shade of paint, like a yellow or a white? And again, just dab off the excess. On it goes. And just create some lighter leaves around the top, like that. And there it is. And it didn't take any time at all. Not bad for a cheat, eh? And you can use this cheating technique to do lots of different bushes and leaves. Watch this. Just stabbing it on in exactly the same way. And you know, I'm all for cheating if it makes it easier. Looks just as good. Same down here. And just a couple of bits of black around the bottom of the bushes. And also in the plants on the trellis. And if you dab on some colour, just little dabs of colour, and again, get all the excess colour off your brush first, then you can create flowers. Again, in the same way. Just dab them on, stipple them on, and on, and on. Try cheating yourself. Dab on some leaves and flowers with a dry brush.